In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Kalodata. Kalodata is a software specifically built for TikTok Shop that helps you find winning products and content ideas using real data. And as we know, if you can consistently find winning products and create good content around them, TikTok Shop can be very profitable. This walkthrough is designed for TikTok Shop affiliates and also TikTok Shop sellers who want a faster, more reliable way to do product research without any guesswork. And if you don't have access to Kalodata yet, you can start a free trial using the direct link I've listed in the description below. If you do decide to go with the paid plan, you can use my code KUMO, KUMO, for extra 10% off. And once you're logged in, this is the dashboard that you'll see. There are basically 5 main sections. When you scroll down here, you can see the top selling products. So here we're looking at the top 5 products in the last 30 days. So let's click on more rankings. And then here we can see the top creators. These are the creators that are generating the most revenue. The top TikTok shops. These are the brands that are generating the most sales, as well as the top TikTok videos and advertisements. And then we have the best performing live streams. So everything is super organized, and everything that you need in order to do well on TikTok Shop is all here on Kalodata. So let's come back up. And on top here, you can change the different regions. So depending on what region that you're in or what data that you want access to, you can change that. You can change the language as well as the currency. Kalodata also has a mobile app. So if you want to do research on your mobile phone, you could do that as well. You can just scan this QR code and it will take you to the mobile app. And here you can toggle between the light mode or the dark mode, depending on what your preference is. So first, let's come to the category tab. So we can click on category. So here you can see a general overview of what the best-selling category is on TikTok Shop. So as we can see here, the best-selling category right now is beauty and personal care. And then we have women's wear, followed by sports and outdoor, phones and electronics. And then the fifth one is toys and hobbies. So this can definitely give you more insight in terms of what sells well on TikTok Shop. And if you want to take a more detailed look about what categories that do well on TikTok Shop, you can click on Blue Ocean Niche Categories. And then you can see the more detailed categories that are doing really well. So let's come back up and let's go to the product tab. So in the product tab is where you can search for winning products. What's really useful on Kalodata is you can use filters here on the left-hand side to basically narrow down your search. So currently we are looking at the last 30 days. So you can change this if you want. We'll just leave it at 30 days. And then you can select the category that you sell in. So for this example, I would just select beauty and personal care, click on apply. And in terms of the revenue filters, I like to select at least $10,000. So that will show that the product has clear demand. And in terms of the revenue source, you can select live and video. So that refers to TikTok live streams and TikTok Shop affiliate videos. So I like to select both. In terms of the revenue growth rate, let's go with minimum 20%. Click on apply. For average unit price, what I like to do is to select 20 to 100. So the price is not too high and it's also not too low. And once you're done with your filters, you can just click on submit. And then you'll see the results here on the right hand side. So the data is really easy to look at. Here we see the product info. We see the revenue that it has generated, the revenue trend graph, the revenue growth rate, the number of items sold, the average unit price, the commission rate, as well as the highest revenue videos. And let's say you see a product that you see potential and want more information on, you can just click on it and it will take you to the product detail page. So here you can see the basic information about the product name, the ratings, the price, the commission rate that's paid to TikTok Shop affiliates, the actual product link here, and also the brand that is selling the product. And then you can see the core metrics here. So in the last 30 days, this product generated $649,000 and sold over 20,000 items. And you can also look at a larger time frame if you want. So in the last 90 days, this product is somewhat trending with a couple of really high spikes. And then what you can do is also come down here and then you can see the exact creators who are doing really well on this product. So let's change back to the last 30 days. So as you can see here, this creator in the last 30 days has generated $68,000 promoting this product. And this other creator has generated $51,000 in the last 30 days promoting the same product. So you can see exactly which creators are generating sales. And then you can also scroll down here and then you can see the exact videos that are generating sales. So these are all the exact videos that are doing really well and getting really good results. So here we're looking at a 9 seconds video that has generated 1.39 million views and generated over $16,000 in sales. And if we take 16,430 times it by 20%, which is the rate of the commission for this product, and that equals to a $3,286 in take-home profit. So let's take a look at this video. So that was the video. So simple videos like this can definitely do really well on TikTok Shop. And if you need more content ideas, you can also click on this video and it will take you to this video detail page and then you can see the exact stats about this video. And you can scroll down here to see the other similar videos that are promoting the same product that are doing really well. So you can see the amount of views that they have generated and also the amount of revenue that they have created. So this is a good way for you to find different content ideas. So let's come back to the search results here and let's come back up. And what you can do also, if you want to look for newer products, is you can just come to the top new products tab, click on this, and then that will show you product that has been launched within the last 3 days. So this way you can see the new products that are being launched. And when you come to the high potential affiliate tab, this basically will show you products that are paying at least 30% in commission. So if you're looking for products specifically that are paying higher commission, then you can use this filter. All right, so next let's come to the video and ad tab. So here you can see the top performing videos. So if you want to look at only high organic traffic videos, you can just click on this. So none of these videos are being run as ads. They're all based on organic traffic. And let's add on the revenue trend here and let's select growing and let's submit this. And then we can see the products that are currently trending. So let's take a look at the first product here, which is a cordless cleaner. And it has generated over $162,000 in sales. And this video has gotten over 3 million views. So let's check out this video.
The only way to know if it works is if I make the messiest mess of the messes.
Oh my Jesus.
So this is the Eureka wet mop vacuum, whatever you guys want to call it. Steers itself, cleans itself. It has 2 settings, low and high. We're going to try lowest first. Let's go. It is legit pulling itself.
Ain't no way.
Oh my gosh.
So that was basically a product demonstration video. So they just kind of made a mess in the beginning and they just demonstrated how well the cleaner works. So product demonstration videos like this can be really effective. So let's come back to the search results. And if you want to check out videos that are created by people who doesn't have a huge following, you can click on low follower sales videos. And that will set a filter to only show creators who have less than 50,000 followers. So that could be really helpful to look at as well. So next, let's come to the creator tab. So let's click on creator. So here is where you can find any specific creators that you may be looking for. If you want to find the newer up and coming creators, you can click on emerging creators. And then here you will see the newer creators. And if you want to look for creators that focus mainly on TikTok Shop affiliate videos, you can click on top video creators. And that will set the filter to video under the revenue source. So these are the creators that mainly sell based on the TikTok Shop videos. And if you want to look for creators that do mainly live stream, you can just come to top live creators. And that will change to live under revenue source. And this will show you the creators that mainly sell through live streams. So lastly, let's come to the live stream tab. So live stream has been performing really well for many TikTok creators. And you can check out the live stream content here. So for example, this product has been going really viral lately. It's called Based. That's the brand name. So if you want to see the live stream, you can just click on it and you'll be able to see the live stream content. So for example, if we check out the second one here, you can see the duration of the live stream, which is 15 hours and 40 minutes. And you can see the revenue that was generated. So this could be a really good way for you to see what's been doing really well on live stream. And when you take the same principles of what's working and apply it to your own content, then your content will have a really high chance of doing well too. And there you have it. That was the full walkthrough of how to use Kalodata. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing. I post many step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video.